Gosh, it seems like, I mean, this is just a road trip. It seems like there's almost as much stuff as when we go camping. We have the stove for picnics. We have the cozy in there. You can't see it. It's under the chairs to put over the vehicle. Drinks, food, things. Then that bag is all the kitchen stuff for making up a cup of tea or whatever. Water. And on this side we have our nice cozy bed for a nap because you don't necessarily sleep in the car. There's the cozy, I call it cozy, sports cove. Nap backpack for hiking, pillows, knitting for me, and just waiting for Stanley to bring his stuff, or the rest of his stuff.